Here are the two types of notebook that I have, guys. One an A5, which is the planner, yung nakikita niyo from my previous video. And then I have the A6 size, kung saan lahat ng mga ideas or what I wanted to do are in here. So, yung gagawin ko, guys, since yung to-do list natin ngayon, it's about business planning, but I'll do that later on. But I have to create a product menu list. So, yung gagawin ko, I'll have to create a menu list, guys. So, kuha ko ng isang papel, guys, and susulat na ako ng menu list ko. Premium milk tea, guys. So, mag-focus lang muna ako for 4 milk tea flavors for now. And then, this is actually the trial and error, guys. So, let's see if this is going to work. And, let's see if, you know, magugustuhan mo siya ng masa, guys. So, let's have 4 flavors for now. And then, for the combo, for the combo, I have 3 milk tea plus burger, milk tea plus fries, milk tea plus tempura. Then the next one will be the add-ons. Yep. There you go, guys. This is for my menu list. I'll focus for these products for now. Costing and price. So I think I'm gonna list down the ingredients needed first. So the ingredients, I'm gonna list down the ingredients first, guys. So I'll be back. List ko muna yung ingredients. So yun, guys, mauna akong sa ingredients, but I need to know muna yung mga ilang scoop, grams, ml, yung kinakailangan ko for dito, guys. So yun yung gagawin ko. I'm gonna figure out first. So, natapos din akong mag-costing and pricing, guys. So, I have the profit over there. Then, yung ingredients right there. These items here are the amount per ingredients or magkano yung cost ng ingredients and how many grams in one pack. It's easier that I use the Excel sheets, guys, kasi kumbaga na ma-manage ko siya whenever and wherever I am. So, this is how I use it. So, yun nga. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. So, guys, natapos ko na yung product costing, pricing, and then create the list of ingredients per menu. So, tapos na rin ako dun for milk tea part. Then, I have to create for the combo that yung milk tea, tsaka yung burger, tsaka yung fries. Yun, kailangan ko yung tapusin. I'll finish that up. Ahead ako sa schedule ko, guys. So, this costing and pricing is supposed to be sa Saturday ko siya gagawin, but today is Friday, so medyo ahead tayo dyan. Siguro yung gagawin ko, guys, yung sa costing ng cream cheese, super mahal yung cream cheese, guys, is 20 pesos siya per serving. So, medyo mahal siya. And then, ko naman pwedeng taasan yung selling price ko kasi nakikipag-compete ako sa mga competitor, diba? Sobrang liit ng profit ng isang product na merong cream cheese. But I'll see. I'll try what I can do to lower down the serving. I mean, not serving, but the cost, guys. Pinapa-double check ko siya sa kaibigan ko na meron ding milk tea business at saka meron siyang cream cheese. Pinapa-double check ko sakto ba yung ingredients na ginawa ko, tsaka yung price. Kung malower ko yung ingredients, guys, from 40 grams, I don't know kung 40 grams bang needed for dito kasi wala pa kasi ako sa testing part so I cannot confirm yet. So, if after the testing, if I can lower down the 40 grams, then the cost might get lower as well. So, I do hope, no, na konti lang yung kailangan for a heavy cream cheese. So, yun. So, that's it for now, guys. And I'll see what I can do for the next items. I'll have to finish creating muna the combo costing. Yung milk tea with burger, milk tea with fries, milk tea with tempura, ganun. So, I'll just finish that up and then I'm all good for the costing na. So, hi guys, it's Saturday, July 31. So, the first episode of restarting my milk tea business will be live later in the evening. Yesterday, July 29, I have done costing, the ingredients, and the pricing, guys. I'm still waiting for a friend of mine to send his costing for the cream cheese because I really need to validate if yung heavy cream cheese na ginawa ko for an ingredients or yung amount na kailangan to create the heavy cream cheese is enough or maybe not too much kasi kung too much, guys, so I'm overcharging. At least if a friend of mine can verify that he has a milk tea business, so if he can verify that it has to be lower than what I'm creating, so the cost will be lowered. For costing and pricing, a list of the ingredients for menu is done, and so I think the next part would be to set up a budget. So I think the next nag-chat sa teams ko, so I think the next part would be set up budget for the initial inventory. So that's what I'm going to show you right now, guys, kung paano ko siya gagawin. So I'm going to show you the computation. So here, guys, let me just open the document na ginawa ko yesterday. You don't need to count the choco syrup because choco syrup can be a huge servings talaga, guys, for just one bottle. Strawberry syrup is also fine. Cream cheese. So what I'm going to do, guys, yung cream cheese 500 for 1 pack. So i-divide ko lang siya ng 40 grams. 12. So that's will leave as 12 servings. Basically, if I will buy each of the powders, guys, I can serve 12 servings. So for now, isa-isa na muna. Okay. Good. I think for the cream cheese, I'll be buying 2. Not sure with the whipped cream. How many? Does it need whipped cream, guys? Nah, I'm just gonna buy 1 whipped cream, 1 cream puff, 1 each powder. Cream cheese must be 2. So yeah. So that's how I do it, guys. Now I know that per pack can be served for about 12 serving approximately. For the cream cheese, whipped cream puff 17 servings, and that's it. Okay. So, I'm done na, guys, sa pag enumerate ng mga how many servings. So, let's see. I'm supposed to do YouTube description and research tagging. Or maybe after na siguro dito, guys. So, I think that's about it. I guess so. Set up budget for the initial inventory. So, it was supposed to be 1,448 yung total ko dito, guys. So, hindi ako kakasa sa 1K na budget, no? 448, then adding up another 252 for the cream cheese. Wait, let me think. For the cups, 500. I still have the thank you sticker, so I might be able to use that thank you sticker first before I use the logo, etc. Still a testing part, guys. So, for the budget of this, we have tutu. Is it bad? Do you think so, guys? To spend tutu. Let's see. Start with the tutu. Yeah, let's start with the 2,200 na puhunan for this premium milk tea that I'm planning, guys. Hopefully, gagana siya. Yeah.